Hi, I'm Gabby and this is my video to support women travel rights. Here I will show you how to participate. First, pick one comment on the invitation we sent you. Then write it somewhere. On a wall, on a board, on the sand, on a t-shirt, wherever you want. I picked this one. Traveling to a country like that, what would she expect? I'm here in the middle of São Paulo by myself and I'm doing fine. Women have the right to travel safely and freely anywhere they want. Now is your turn to make your own video. Check out these examples.